I'm back. Hello, hi, namaste, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and safe. So, as you guys can see that I've returned to YouTube after 10 months. So, in today's video, I'm gonna discuss some important questions which you all have been doing me since the last 10 months. So, चलिए बाहर जाके थोड़ा सा बैठ के शुरू करते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So I have settled down, and as I told you guys that I will be discussing certain questions which I thought to be interesting to be answered. I got them from my family members, some from my friends. So without any further ado, let's go to the first question. So the first question which I had when I got was, why did I go inactive in YouTube? So there are many excuses, but the one best for it is that I was in 10th grade. I'm sorry, I was in 10th grade. So as you guys know that 10th grade is quite an important phase in everybody's life, and people need to study hard and students need to focus totally on their studies. So it was one of the most important reasons, but as you guys know that we are the first batch in the history of India, I think so, to pass and get promoted to class 11th without any examinations. So it's awesome, we're the first one. So the next question which I went through was, what will my vlogs contain? So as you guys had seen in the introductory video that it would contain DIYs, vlogs, travelogues, food vlogs and stuff. But as it's lockdown and it's quietly impossible to go out, so I thought to make weekly vlogs from now on in my home, what we are doing, what's my routine and stuff and all that things. So yeah, I'm gonna make weekly vlogs from now on, and I am planning to do daily vlogs, but it's not now, it's weekly vlogs for now on. Third, in what language am I going to do the vlogs? So I was really confused till yesterday in what language should I do. So as you guys know that I'm a Bengali guy, I'm kind of good at English but not so good in Hindi. I can speak Hindi well, but in videos it's quite tough. But I'll mostly use English and Hindi quite a bit, and Bengali will be there. English will be in the majority, so you guys can understand what I mean to say. So these were the questions which I thought are to be discussed. And one last thing which I need to say, that I'm back, and from now on you all will be getting daily videos, weekly videos. I'm really sorry. So subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like the video and share it with your friends, and comment me my mistakes and what should I correct so that I could make the video better and entertain you guys. So bye for now, see you in the next video.
Missing someone